I made such a mess of things.
And unboxing day. It's only been a couple days. And I can't believe how quick this came. No, it's 2-3 days, even though it's going from Wisconsin to Nova Scotia. This is fun to do with one hand, isn't it? Alright. Alright, let's try this. Oh, got another one. A Dodge. What the heck? Whatever. Add that to my door. Stand electronic system processor. Blah, 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 blah. There it is. It's like brand new. EM57S. Well, we're gonna check it out and see if it works. And add this to my door upstairs. I got on my big box upstairs. Here we go. The latest Dodge. Whatever. All the good ones I got upstairs. Alright, well here we go. Not exactly the same numbers, but the good thing I did notice, how can I do this? Hold that up and hold this up. Same pins are missing from each one. Everything's the exact same that way. Oh, fingers crossed. Okay, she's installed. Went right in, just like it's supposed to, so let's see what happens. Alright, spout's plugged in, battery's connected. Moment of truth. Oh my God!
Oh man, I need a beer.
So I did blow up the computer. Isn't that something? I got the Wi-Fi off right now because the cats are plugged. Doesn't seem like it's charging. I think that is part of the problem. Well, now I gotta check it out. This is not charging. And typically shut it off and battery's doing a little recharge of its own. So it is not charging. And oh wait. Because you got the cable unhooked, dummy. Alright, let's start up again, plug the alternator in and see if it works. Holy. Yeah, it's charging. Way too much. Alrighty, so that alternator is charging way too much. That could have burned her up too. So, alternator. Next. Well, so what I'm thinking, it wasn't, when I unhooked the booster cables that time and she started popping and banging, it wasn't because of low voltage. I think it was because of high voltage, because this alternator had it cranked right up to 17-18 volts. And that's what blew up the computer. When I finally unhooked the cable, went over, shut it off. So anyway, now I know. Throw another alternator in it, and in theory that part should be done. Move on to the next part of the project, which is putting the Y-pipe back together. Never ends. Aha! I knew I had an alternator out in all these old parts. What could possibly be wrong with this? Oh yeah, she's mint. Oh yeah, she'll be good to go. Bolt that right on.